this is Wimbles of My Hair, and today I'm reviewing K18. Woohoo! K18. Yeah, let's get into it. So before I use K18, I brushed my hair pretty thoroughly, I would say, with my Mason Pearson brush, because I wanted to make sure that there was no snarls and there was like a lot of no like interruptions in the way that the product would penetrate. So I did that like pretty thoroughly. And it says to towel dry. And my hair's been in the towel for a bit, so it's pretty dry. I'm gonna pick it out a little bit before I spread the product. And it kind of mentions not to go at the roots, so I'm gonna not go to the roots. And this is where this is the K18 right here. I'm gonna use 2 pumps. Well, maybe I'll just use one, because look at that. That's like kind of a lot. So I'm gonna start at my biggest knots and then go over to the heavily colored spots, or treated, I should say. And just get it down there to the end. Oh wow, that's all I needed, was this one pump. Awesome. I'm gonna pick it through. Oh, it's so easy to pick through. Now I have to leave this on for 4 minutes before I put any kind of detangler or conditioner on, and that's where I was confused before. Like, I thought I had to rinse it out before, and no. So now that I've left this on for a little bit over 4 minutes, to tell you the truth, it feels a little like, feels really good, but I really want to put my detangling spray in from CVS. I know, gosh, it works. The thing is I don't like pulling any of my hair. I don't like pulling at all. Like, that bothers me. So this definitely will stop that. And speaking of pulling, that's why I'm not going to use this today. Because while I was picking my hair, excuse me, hold on, let me clear my throat. Because while I was combing the K18 through, I did find this hair on the brush. There's always knots in the back, right? I actually have the setting on cool. It's on cool, and it's drying really well. It feels good. So this is the result. It's still a little bit damp, but I don't want to over dry it. Looks really good. What I like is that it's all super contained in here without any kind of like struggle, and I'm getting some kind of sheen, I think. I would definitely say I am enjoying these results, and number one is it is doing something. Like, it's definitely done something. So it's a product that performs for sure, and I definitely feel like I like the result. Like, it's, once you do, the 4 minutes, you can like, sorry, I'm in a low battery here. But yeah, I can't stop touching my hair. It feels so good. I would totally recommend trying this stuff, especially if you're struggling with chemically treated hair. So please like and subscribe. I'm going to come back with some more products, some more curling iron tests, and my nail just got caught in my hair. Well, anyway, it was coming right out. So this stuff works great. All right, have a great week.